Good morning all, Jake here, or Hansen-chan, back with another video coming to you from Chengdu, here in a hostel called the Dreams Hostel. It's actually a really cool hostel. There's this cool area out here where you can sit, hang out, have a drink, and meet new people, which is exactly what I've been doing. I met a guy last night called Emerson. He's from the US and we bonded over our love of drones. He recently bought himself a DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is just kind of like my dream drone. So we got it out, we had a little bit of a play with it, and I'd love to get out and actually have a fly of it. And he suggested that today maybe we just go explore Chengdu and see if we can find some cool spots to take some drone shots. So that is what we're going to go do today. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. I'm excited. Hey,
来了，
你好。
来了，因为同事来了，是不是吧？是吧？
对对对，来了。
哇塞！
You can introduce yourself if you like.
Hi, I'm Emerson. Nice to meet you all.
Where are you from?
I'm from the U.S.
Where are you from in the US actually?
Connecticut.
Oh, okay. So she's given us a bunch of recommendations. We can do something called Luodai Guzhen, which is a ancient town. Or we can do what I said we could do, what we were going to do yesterday, which is, and she recommended this as well. This kind of looks more green.
It was really hilly when I was up there yesterday, and it looked like it seems like you can easily, in a good way, get lost.
Well, let's do it.
Woo! Is this a GoPro?
It's a Insta360. It's a Chinese brand.
I'm loving the interface.
Oh, dude, it's so cool. It's actually, it's all in Chinese, but we've also got.
Wow.
Yes, stop your bum from getting sweaty.
Now that is innovation that excites.
Yeah.
But even gives you the distance.
I know.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like one of the safest cars I've ever driven. Alright, we're off.
Woo!
你好，我们可以在这里停车，然后吃饭吗？可以吗？
可以，没问题。
嗯。
坐这里啊。
啊，好好。
桌上把桌子擦一下哈。
好好。我是从厦门过来，其实。
厦门。
对。
那么远。你是哪个国家的？哪里不知道
America， 美国。
美国，你是美国人。
我是澳大利亚。
澳大利亚，哎呦喂，坐一下啊，坐一下。那你叔叔还你看打个光对不对？要不要放给你？怎么不一样啊？很好奇吗？很好奇。
你多大？
我也多大了？你几岁了
1岁。1岁吧。
那叔叔好大方啊！
啊，
四川的
四川的特色吗？
特色。
哦。
温阳米饭啊。
哇，谢谢你们。
不用谢。
All right, so we have some. This I don't think I've ever actually had. It's sweet potato, yes, sprouts, stalks. Then we've got some braised pork here, and seemingly some tofu in soup. Oh, it all looks, it looks really good, and they've seemingly assured me it is local Sichuan cuisine. So here we go. Having an adventure. We're excited?
I'm absolutely stoked. Once in a lifetime experience here. So, wow.
Let's get into it.
好，顺风
啊，谢谢，谢谢，
慢点啊。
OK，拜拜。
好不好？倒车
啊，可以。
啊，你慢点啊。
啊，谢谢。And they were the nicest people in the world.
Genuinely, it's so cute too. Just the
little kids.
The interactions.
Yeah. All right, what are we doing now?
We're off to some local recommendations.
Yes. I think it's called 龙池森林公园. This has definitely turned into an adventure now. Alright, we've just been ushered into a car park here, and then apparently we're going to be drinking tea. And the reason we've stopped here is because we saw on the side of the road here, there's a river running through this between all these mountains, and they seem to have like blocked off parts of the river, and people are setting up and playing games and swimming. So we had to come down here and check it out. Check this out, guys. People just sitting here eating lunch, having shawkar, having a swim and a feed. How cool is this?
This is incredible. This is wild.
Look at this beautiful water. Where are we? Oh, just where are we? This is such a cool concept. Just create little rock pools in amongst some beautiful mountains. Let's see what this place looks like from above. And we got some honeybees here. We're definitely getting wild now, folks. This road has turned into a four-wheel drive track. In my previous car, the Prius, this is not possible. Absolutely not possible. And I actually encountered a lot of really poor roads on my Australian road trip that I just could not go down.
Oh.
Okay, this, I think this is actually not possible.
Oh wait, maybe it hits the left here?
Oh my gosh, it is
Oh.
possible.
You know, like the hope went down and then
Yeah,
down.
it came straight back up. This is so cool. This is exactly the type of thing that I wanted to find in China. So the lady back at our restaurant before was talking about an earthquake that happened in 2008 up here. And it was pretty destructive. I'm not sure whether this is part of that just hasn't been rebuilt. But something certainly happened. 你好，这是为了地震吗？
不是，
不是。
今天下这个应该是地震以后2011年的一个泥石流造成的，但是这个是今年子的水。
哦，今年这个水吗？
废弃了很多年了。
真的吗？
对对对。
谢谢。
啊，没事。你是哪个国家人啊？
啊，我是澳大利亚。
啊，澳大利亚。
嗯，对。
好。
谢谢，拜拜。Beautiful or what?
Exquisite.
I think we really lucked out today actually, because it said it was going to thunderstorm, and it kind of looks like it might be thinking about it over there. But yeah, really, really cool, picturesque mountains. I am expecting lots more picturesque mountains over the coming weeks, because not tomorrow, but the next day, we will be leaving Chengdu and heading out west, exploring some of the autonomous regions out there. Very, very excited for that. Hope you guys are excited to come along for the ride. Also, our friend Emerson is going to be joining us on this trip for the next couple of weeks, so you will be seeing more of him too. But yeah, I think that will about do it for this video. If you've enjoyed coming along for the ride, please like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Emerson tasting the local produce here. How is it? Yeah.
Doesn't get more farm to table than that.
Yeah, it's 20 meters from farm to table. Definitely have to film this. What are we doing?
It's time.
What? How?
Perfect.
I don't get it.
That's wild.
How does that?
I'm very
How does that happen?
Thank you.
It's awesome.
Okay.